Are you struggling to convert website visitors into customers? If so, you're not alone. A lot of businesses find it difficult to generate sales from their website, but don't worry, there are a few things you could do to improve your conversion rate. In this video, we'll discuss some of the best techniques for turning your traffic into paying customers. Let us begin. Have a clear call to action. One of the most important things you could do to convert website visitors into customers is having a clear call to action. Your CTA should be prominently displayed on your website, and it should be easy for your visitors to see and understand. Make sure your CTA is relevant to your product or service and that it's clear for visitors to take advantage of your offer. Using a free CRM software like Moment, you could save these leads and further nurture them in your sales funnel. Answer website visitors via live chat. Another great way to convert website visitors into customers is to have a free web chat tool installed on your website. This way you can answer any questions that potential customers may have in real time. Chat tools are an excellent way to build trust and rapport with your website visitors. Watch our video on adding a live chat to your website in under 2 minutes. The link is in the description below. Take a walk in your visitors' shoes. In order to close more visitors into paying customers, it's important to think and act like a fresh visitor. A great way to do this is session recording. Session recording or session replays are video recordings that start when a user enters your website and stops when they leave the website. These recordings are super useful for journeying through your user's experience and decisions. Moment has the best session recording feature built right into its CRM and allows you to see how specific prospects are using your website. Check out our session recording video in the description below. Using a CRM to turn leads into paid customers. By using a free CRM tool like Moment, you can keep track of leads and make sure they don't go unattended. You can automate tasks, segment users, improve customer experiences, and manage sales. Keeping track of your visitors is a great way to increase profitability. Moment allows you to directly contact your website visitors and turn them into customers using its intuitive inbox feature. Make sure your website is optimized for conversion. One of the most important factors in converting website visitors into customers is having a well-optimized website. Your website should be designed with conversion in mind, and it should be easy for visitors to navigate and use. Web speed has been shown to be important for SEO and making sure your website visitors follow through to your call to action. Web pages that load faster have been proven to lead to higher conversion rates and better user engagement. By using Moment, you'll simplify your website and reduce the number of plugins you'll need on your website to a single JavaScript code snippet. If you like these 5 tips, we have 5 more you can read on our blog post. They are providing better customer service, creating email marketing campaigns, A/B testing different content, segmenting your website visitors, and writing more blog posts. To learn more about these extra tips, visit our blog post. The link is in the description. Converting website visitors into customers is easier than ever with the latest software and technologies. We made our free CRM software easy to use and rich with features. But if you need any help with using our live chat, email marketing system, or inboxing, feel free to contact us. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to visit our website and subscribe for more business tips. Happy marketing!